After the software installation and setup are complete, we need to import the accounts into the software. First, prepare your account data. Here we have a set of account data. There are 10 accounts. You can see there are 10 rows here, which means 10 account records. If you do not have accounts, you can purchase them from me. The accounts I provide are high quality and very durable. Next, find the account import entry. First, click Task Config. Then click Register Import/Profile Update. Find the Import Accounts/Email, Text File Selection option. Click the Choose File button. Select the account data text file we prepared earlier. Select the account data text file, then click Open. Then click the Import Text button. We need to change the separator symbol to match the separator used in the text file. Copy it from the file. Then paste it here. The first field is the position of account username in the text file. For account password, enter 2. For account 2FA, enter 3. The email address linked to the account is the 5th field in the text file. The email password is the 6th field in the text file. This field is the Microsoft Email Client ID. Because the account is linked to a Microsoft email address, this field provides the Microsoft Email Client ID. This is the Microsoft Email token. The most important parameter is the account token. We need to find the account token. The account token is here. The account token is in position 10. So for the account token field, we enter 10 here. If some account fields do not exist in your text file, just enter 0 for those fields. For example, the bound phone number is not included in this text file, so we enter 0. If the field exists, enter its corresponding position number. Finally, click the Import button to import the account data. We can see the account data has been imported successfully. A total of 10 account records were imported. Then click the Account Management page. Click the button for the last page. These are the 10 account records we just imported. Next, we still need to complete one very important step. That is to run a batch first login operation for these newly imported accounts. The batch login only needs to be done once. After that, all other tasks can use these accounts directly. First, select all accounts. Set the task for the previous accounts to none first. This prevents other account tasks from starting when we launch the task. Then select the 10 accounts we just imported in bulk. In the Protocol Tasks drop-down, choose Protocol, first login by token. Then click OK. We can see the task has been set successfully. Then click this blue Start button. Watch the black runtime window built into the software. Here you can see the software's real-time running process. OK, the task has finished running. Now let's check whether these 10 accounts logged in successfully. Nine accounts have already logged in successfully. The account status column shows account active for them. This means the accounts logged in successfully and their status is normal, with no ban issue. But we can see this account did not log in successfully. We can check the error message in the window tip column. This column shows the final execution result for this account's task. For any task, you can check the success message or error message in the window tip column. Clearly, this account did not log in successfully. We can set the task name of the other successfully logged in accounts to none. That means setting the task name column to no task. Then only this account that failed to log in keeps the protocol, first login by token task. Now run this task one more time. Click the blue Start button. OK, it has finished running. This time, the account logged in successfully after rerunning the task. So all 10 accounts are fine, and none of them has an account issue. All 10 accounts have logged in successfully. Remember, only after the accounts complete their first successful login can we run other tasks. The workflow for running other tasks is the same. First, select the accounts. Then choose the task we want to run. Click OK, then click the blue Start button. The overall workflow is the same.